Okay, so last time we have seen how to find the angles of triangle, quadrilateral, and so on. So now we will continue this. So find the number find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior angle is 4 pi by 5 radian. 4 pi by find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior point. You have to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. Okay, so that will do. So polygon means what? So first we will find we will convert this radian in terms of degree. Okay, so that we will do first. Let n be the number of sides of a regular polygon. So polygon means what? Suppose this is a circle. Right? So regular polygon, that means what? So this, you have to intersect this. All the sides are equal now. So you know the football game, right? So that is all sides are this. That means what? Now this is center. This. So like this, right? For regular polygon means what? All these sides are same, and you have to find this n. How many are this? Such way that your angle is this. What? 4 pi by 18. That means what? What is the sum of this one? Sum of this one is 360. And if you divide by 360 to this number, then we will get the number of this one. Right? So how many parts? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts there. Right? So then we will get a n now. So that means what? The sum of all these angles is what? 360 degree. And all angles are equal. Because this is a regular polygon. Right? So all angles are equal. So just find now this, express this in terms of degree. Right? And divide 360 degree by this angle. We get some integer. And that will be your number of sides. Right? You don't want the length of the side. You want the number of the sides. Right? So first what we'll do? We'll express this in terms of degree measurement. Right? So 4 pi by 5 radian is same as 4 pi by 5 into, you have to express radian measurement into degree. That means you have to divide by pi to 180. So 180 upon pi. This will be your degree now. Right? So pi get cancelled. Right? So 5 3s are. So this is 36. Right? So 144. This is what? 144 degree now. Right? So what we want? N. Right? So n is same as what then? 360 upon 144. 360 upon 144. Not 144. Actually, you have to find a exterior angle. This is the interior angle. Exterior angle you have to find. So this is not. So exterior angle is equal to what? You have to subtract from 180 now. So 180 degree minus 144 degree. So this is what? 36 degree. And now This will be your exterior angle. You have to divide by the 36. You get the required this. So N is equal to 360 upon 36. So this is what? 10. This is 10. So therefore, N is equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, number of sides of a regular polygon is 10. Therefore, the number of sides of regular polygon is 10. Is 10. Okay. Now next, find the angle between. Find the angle between our hand and minor hand of a clock at 1 quarter past 5 and second quarter to 12 So for this, so before solution, so we'll discuss some part and then we'll go to the solution. So we have to find quarter past 11. Quarter past 5. That means what? 5:15. Your timing is what? 5:15. Whatever AM, PM, whatever this, right? And quarter to 12 means this is what? 11:45. Right? So for this, you have to find angle between the hour hand and minute hand. So we'll draw a clock now. For clock. Suppose this is 12. Suppose 1 is here, 2 is here, you know that 3 is here, then 4 is here, 5 is here, and 6 is here, 7 is here, 8 is here, 9 is here, 10 is here, 11 is here. Right? So this is their initial arc, the vertex of that. So what we will do? This is OA now. It is what? Position at 12 now. Right? Now what is your time? 5:15. So 5:15 means this is what? Our hand. This is what? Our hand. And the minute hand will be exactly at 3. But our hand is not exactly at 5. Right? It will move some. It will move some angle. Right? So it will move some rotation now here. Right? It is passed from 5, not on the 5. So now what you have to do? You have to find the angle between this now. This is your required angle. Right? This is your required angle. Your theta is the required angle. But for this, what we'll do? We'll find this angle. That means what? The angle of our hand with the position of this OA. Angle of our hand with the position of OA. And we will also find this angle now. We'll find this angle. That is what? The angle of minute hand with the position of OA. Right? And we'll what? Do the subtraction. Difference of this one. We get a required angle. Right? We will subtract this one. Minus angle with our hand minus angle with minute hand with the position of 12. So what here now? So see, one rotation. Minute hand. One rotation for minute. For minute hand. How many? So one rotation is completed. That means what? 1 hour is over. That means minute hand cover 60. Minute hand cover 60 minutes. Right? 60 minutes. Right? That means what? Cover 1 hour. Minute hand For one rotation, my hand cover 1 hours. Right? 1 hours. That is what? That is 60 minutes. That is 60 minutes. For one rotation, it covers this. So that means what here? 1 hour. 1 hour means what? One rotation. This is the one rotation. Right? Full rotation. That means what here? That means what here? So here now we are at 1. At 1. Right? So minus hand covers in 1 hour. So that means what? In 1 hour, that means what? 60 minutes. Right? One rotation says 60 minutes. So that means what here? 1 hour, 60 minutes. Right? 60 minutes. So, and it covers what? How many? This is 360 degree. It covers 360 degree. It covers 360 degree. Right? So that means what? In 1 minute, it covers. See, this is 60 minutes. 1 minute. How many? So this is what? 30 degree. It covers 30 degree. So your minute hand, right? 1 minute, in 1 minute, not in 1 minute. In 1 minute, it covers 30 degree. Okay. 60 degree. So 6. 1 minute cancel. So 6. Yes, 6 degree. 6 degree. Right? In 1 minute it covers 6 degree. Right? So in 1 minute hand, in 1 minute it covers 60 degree. Right? So that means in 15 minutes it covers 15. Multiply by 15. So it covers what? 90 degree. It covers 90 degree. Right? So therefore the angle of minute hand, because you have 15 degrees, we have 15 minutes, right? So how it travels, which amount it travels, right? Minute hand travels, that we get this one. So this is what? The angle of minute hand with OA is what then? With OA is what? 90 degree. With OA is 90 degree. So write in this way. You have to write in this way actually. Right? So just we'll write once again now this. So that the idea will be clear then. Right? We'll write once again. Right? Okay. So what is in 1 hour minute hand complete one rotation, that is 360 degree. That is 360 degree, right? So therefore 1 hour is same as 360 degree, right? So that means what? 60 minutes is same as what? 60 minutes is same as 360 degree. Right? So 1 minute is same as 6 degree. Right? That means 15 minute is same as 90 degree. Right? So therefore the angle of minute hand, this is the minute hand, this position A, the angle of minute hand with OA is 90 degree. Now we will find the angle of our hand with position A now. So what here then? 1 hour. Right? So what here? Our hand. This will write. Our hand cover one rotation in 12 hours. Right? 12 hours is complete one rotation. That means what? You 12 hours for our hand. Right? For our hand, there are 12, right? Within 12 hours, it covers full rotation, full rotation, right? And minor hand, right? In 1 hour, 1 hour it complete one rotation for minor hand. But for our hand, there are 12 hours. In 12 hours, it complete one rotation. That means 12 hours is same as what? 360 degree, right? So that means what? 1 hour. 1 hour. So this is what? 30 degree. In 1 hour, it covers 30 degree, right? So 1 hour means what? 60 minute. It covers 30 degree. And in 1 minute, it covers 1 minute. It covers what? 1/2 degree. In 1/2 degree, right? So we have the 15 minutes, right? So we'll find for 15 minutes, it covers what? 15 by 2, right? 15 by 2 is nothing but what? 7.5, right? So this is 7.5 degree, 7.5 degree, right? So for further 15 minutes, for year 5 to this 15, it covers what? 7. But now here up to 5, it covers what then? For 1 degree, for 1 hour, it covers what? 30 degree. And these are 5 hours, right? That means in 5 hours, your hour hand covers what? 150 degree, right? So in 5 hours, the hour hand makes angle with OA is इथे होणार इथे 5 into 30, so 150 degree. And at 5:15, that means what? You have to take the addition of this one now, right? At 5:15, the angle made by our hand with OA is 150 degree plus 7.5 degree. Do you understand this? Okay. So in 5 hours, that is the part of the minor hand. That part is over, right? We got this 90 degree now, right? Angle between the minor hand and position is now we get this. So now we want to find the angle between the hour hand and the OA. This we want now. And then what? Once we get this one, then we will subtract this one. So we get the angle between hour hand and minute hand, right? So now here what we are doing? To find the angle between our hand and OA. This is our triangle. So what we did up to? So we have find this calculation for this one, right? How much amount it covers, right? In 1 hour in this. So 1 hour in 12 hours it complete one rotation. In 1 hour it is 30 degree then, right? In 60 minutes this is 30 degree. In 1 minute it covers 1/2 degree. Now in 15 minutes it covers 7.5 degrees. So for 15 degrees, for 15 minutes you have found this. But what up to the 5? Now this is what? In 5 hours. Because what? Your hour hand completed 5 hours and 15 minutes now, right? So for 5 hours, for 1 hour it is 30 degree. So for 5 hours it is what? 150 degree. So up to this is what? 150 degree. Further it is moved for 15 minutes. So it moved to what? 7.5 degree. You have to add this then. That means your hour hand covers is what? 150 degree plus 7.5. That is what then this is same as what? 157.5 degree. Right? So that means what? Angle between our hand and OA is what? 157.5. Right? And angle between the minor hand and OA is what? 90 degree. And then you have to find the angle between our hand and minute hand just by subtracting this one. Right? For you have to do the separate calculation for minute hand and hour hand with the help of this calculation. So if you know the watch, then you can do this calculation. If you don't know the watch, then you cannot do this calculation. So for this, you must know the relation between the the hours and degrees, right? So now that 1 degree, now this 1 degree is what, that we have seen that 1 degree is what, 60 minutes. Don't apply this relation here. This is the relation. This is the relation of the measurement of the angle, right? And this is not, this 1 degree and 60 minutes they here not said. Here what, in terms of watch, now here in terms of hour hand and minute hand, this 1 degree same as 60 minutes is not applicable here now, right? So for this what we have to do, separate calculation. How much amount it covers in 1 minute, that we have to calculate it. Okay. So now here we get this one, right? So we get the angle between the hour hand with position A. We get the angle between the minute hand with position A. Now we are ready to find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. So therefore the angle between hour hand and minute hand and is equal to what, 157.5 degree minus 90 degree. So what is that? So 65. So 60.5 degree, right? Okay. So this is the answer. Angle between this minute hand and minute hand, right? So now for second one, what is the second one? What is the time? Quarter to 12. That means the time is what? The time is 11:45. Right? Whatever AM PM, we are not taking the care of that one, right? So now we'll draw the figure so that the idea will be clear to you. This is 12, right? So somewhere here 11. This is 9 now, right? So this is your hour hand, minute hand, right? And for 11:45, so that means your hour hand is not at the position. It is very close to 12 now. So your hour hand will be here now. And what we have to do? You have to find the angle between this is your OA, this is your O, right? So first we will find the angle between the minute hand and OA. Then we will find the angle between the hour hand and OA, and then subtract this one, biggest minus lowest. You get the required angle, right? So what we will do? So we will do again the calculation, right? So for minute hand, right? So for minute hand, 60 minute, right? 60 minute. That means what? Complete rotation, right? Minute hand cover 60 minute, right? So 61 rotation means what? 360 degree, right? So 1 minute is same as what? 1 minute is same as what? So divide by 6. So 6 degree. 1 minute, right? In 1 minute it covers 6 degree. Now it this minute hand covers what? 45 minutes. After 45 minutes it covers what? You have to multiply by 45 now. So in 45 minutes it covers 6 into 45. 6 into 45, right? So this is equal to what then? 270 degree, right? 270 degree. That means what? Therefore, the angle between minute hand and OA is 270 degree, right? We'll write this away. Just draw the figure. So don't write orally this is right. So with the help of the figure, this OA is not actually the standard, but we are saying that that is OA. Now, so we get this angle. We get this angle. Now what we want? We want to find this angle now. We want to find this angle now, and this we will subtract them, right? So for our hand, 12 hours is equal to 360 degree, right? So because our hand covers one rotation after 12 hours, so that means 12 hours is same as, so 1 hour is same as 1 hour is same as what? Divided by 12. So this is what? 30 degree. 1 hour is same as 30 degree. Now this is 11:45. So that means just multiply by this. So because what? Our hand is what? So this is what? 11. That means what here? It is 11 hours or more, right? So 11 hours is equal to 33. After 11 hours, it covers this. Now your minus hand covers also 45 minutes. So for 1 minute you have to find this. So 1 hour means what then? 65 minutes is same as 30 degree for our hands, right? So that means what? 1 minute is same as what? This is what? Degree, huh? This is degree, right? So 60 minutes is same as 30 degree. So this is what then? This is what? Half degree, right? And after 45 minutes, how much amount it covers? So 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is what then? 45 upon 2. So 45 upon 2 is what? 22.5. So 22.5 degree now, right? So now this what? Up to 45 minutes. That means what? Then you have to take the addition of this one. After 11 hours and after 45 minutes. You have to take the addition. And that will we get? That we get what? Angle between OA and our hand, right? So therefore the angle between our hand and just we will say OA is, just try to take the addition. So this is what? 3 degree plus 22.5 degree. So this is what? 0.5 degree, right? 352.5 degree. Now we get the angle between OA and our hand. We get the angle between minute hand and OA, and angle between our hand and OA. Just take the subtraction. Therefore the angle between our hand and minus hand is, which one is greater? This one is greater, right? So 352.5 degree minus, how much amount we get?
270.
Huh?
270.
That will be what? 67.5 degree, right? Angle between the, is it correct? क्या होता है
270.
270
7
270
डिग्री.
270.
270.
Okay, 270 degree diet, 270 degree. Okay, so this is equal to what then? 270. So this 0.5 will be here then, right? 2 will be there. So 8, right? 8, right? So this is your required angle, 82.5 degree, right? So this is your required angle. I hope that you understand this one, right? So you can find now what you have to do the practice for this one, right? So only what here you have to find the one rotation means what? For our hand, and one rotation for minute hand. If you understand that one, you can do the any calculation. So try for this is what 315, what 215, 125, 145, like this, right? So you can find the angle between at 9 o'clock. So you know that at 9 o'clock this is what 90 degree. Just check whether we get or not. At 3 o'clock it is 90 degree. At 6 o'clock it is 180 degree. Just try for this one. So check this one whether we get a 180 degree or not, right? So if you get 180 degree, that means we are doing well calculations then, right? So for at 3 o'clock you get it. Note that for 6:15. So 6:15 is what your hour hand at 6 and your minute hand is 3. Now this angle is not 90 degree then. This angle is not 90 degree because for 15 hours your hour hand moves some amount. That means it is not at the position of 6 now. It moves. That means it is not 90 degree now. Right? So you have to take the care of this one. So you have to do calculations. It is a part of the understanding also. Okay. So now what we'll do? So now what is pentagon, hexagon? Pentagon means what? There are 5. So these 5. Right? Hexagon means what? The 6. Right? And the septagon means 7. Octagon means 8. And so on. Right? So with the help of that one, try to solve the problems. Exterior angles and interior angles of the regular hexagon and this. Right? So now this is what here. This angle is nothing but exterior angle and this is nothing but the interior angle. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.